Hello again. Well, it's late, it's dark, it's cold and it's wet, and I'm back underneath the Celica. We've got a bit of a problem with the exhaust fix from the other day. Basically, to get it all aligned nicely on this flange, cranks up this section here so that it runs much too close to this part of the subframe and clatters against it when you drive. The problem, I guess, is that when we had the spring bolts on here, the whole thing was cranked down a bit, so this was tight and this here was wide open. Bolting it up rigid has brought it all into line, and this really is at the wrong angle. I guess that's what comes out in a cheap eBay part. You can also see here it's banging on the bumper. Less worried about that. What I really want to do is stop it chattering against the subframe so that I can take it for an MOT without it making any silly noises. As far as I know, having the exhaust knocking against the subframe isn't something that would fail the MOT, I guess. Don't really know. But it's certainly not good, and it's very annoying. And I guess eventually it would wear through the exhaust, I would have thought, or at least damage something. So I'm going to undo these and see if I can rotate it round a little bit. There's quite a lot of slack in the slots in here, so I'm hoping there'll be enough to just rotate that round. Yeah, that's better. But let's see what happens when I tighten it up again, because we might lose some of that space when this nips up again. Yeah, so I don't really want that to happen. Righto. Well, I don't know if you can see. I'll bring you closer. So yeah, hopefully you can see now. There's loads of space. Just rotating that slight little bit has opened it right up. And also improved this gap a little bit as well to the bumper. So silly of me not to notice that really when I put it on. But, oh, there's our lovely TRD springs sitting there that young Cameron and I put on a couple of years back. Still looking very red. Splendid. Anyhow, hopefully that'll stop the rattling. Well, that's all for now. If you enjoyed it, press like. Subscribe if you want to see some more. Ring the bell to be notified when we upload something new.